Get noticed in this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.